Good evening everyone. I'm Chef Tushar Malkani, Managing Director of Malkani Hospitality Private Limited and Culinary Tales. Today we are going to present to you the Southern Blue Whiting Crumb Fried Fish by Quality New Zealand, and this is available in all leading retail stores like Food Hall, Nature's Basket and Big Basket. So come, let's see a beautiful delicious recipe created with this Southern Blue Whiting fish and relish it. Now as you could see, the fish is already fried. We will present it in a unique way by making a crunchy quinoa and avocado salad on the side along with it. So for this I have, as you can see, I have already boiled the quinoa with little bit of white wine into it, which I'm going to add into it. And yes, also the basic seasoning like pepper and salt into it and some fresh herbs. Now in the bowl I am going to add some nuts to give it a crunchy feel, which is roasted by me. And some almonds, and last but not the least, I'm going to add the quinoa, the avocado to it along with the quinoa and the crunchy nuts. Some nice ripe avocados. So now I'm going to mix all this together so that the avocados get mashed nicely with the quinoa. So I have used the white and the red quinoa, and I'm going to finish it with the basic mustard vinaigrette dressing that I have made. Just to give it that additional flavor, and just mix it up well. And our fish is also fried. Now we are going to start the plating of the delicious crumb fried blue whiting fish, which is very rich in quality, and this is the best quality fish that is available, and Quality NZ has the best quality of products, including your lamb, the blue whiting, the cod fish available with them. So let's start plating. So now we'll be plating. Here goes a beautiful salad with an amazing mustard lime vinaigrette. It looks really very delicious, and to give it the final touches, I'm going to garnish it with some fresh mint sprigs. Okay, so now we will demold our salad. Beautiful. And finish our garnish with some fresh mint leaves that we were finishing. And finally finish it with some crunchy pickled onions. And now we are going to place our fish and a lemon veggie. For garnish, and just the finishing touch that we are going to give it is with some chili oil drizzle. And some balsamic vinaigrette. So here is a beautifully done up dish, that is blue whitening fish, served along with a mustard sauce. Enjoy, have a good time.